Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rytan number RY10025 carriage spring. So the carriage on a key machine is the item that moves back and forth with your typically two. There are duplex style key machines that have been made in the world where they actually have two carriages, but the carriage spring is what gives the carriage tension when you pull the knob down to pull the carriage back to then lift it up to start your cutting process. And that's what this spring is. And this video is really going to simply serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the carriage spring. When you look at your RY100, 200, 256, 456 series machines, when you look down at the carriage, you'll see part of the spring right in front of you, basically. This item is for the spring only, and there is an outline below this video. Pardon me, there's a link to the installation instructions below this video for this item. Overall length now, end to end, is 1.939. 1.939 overall end to end. I'm going to say that the diameter of the spring on the outside at the very least, 0.492, and then a wire diameter of the item is 0.088, pardon me, 0.089 would be a wire diameter, okay? For me personally, it's not fun changing springs on key machines. Takes a little bit of practice so that you're not mucking anything up. You've got to get the spring pulled back a little bit. It's helpful to have a couple of 1/8 of an inch steel rods around sometimes so you can slide it through and then use the other one as a lever sort of scenario. The installation instructions will come with the hardware itself, and most items from Rytan include a whole mess of marketing materials every single time, and I appreciate that equipment because I appreciate their marketing materials because I am incredibly partial to Rytan. I have owned a couple of their machines over the years and find that they are absolutely among, as far as my opinion, that they are the most robust semi-automatic key machine available. And it's my semi-automatic machine of choice. I have cut tens of thousands of keys on Rytans, and I appreciate the build quality because I am able to dial in when I change my cutter or the cutter has changed and I want to adjust. I'm able to dial in my key, my tolerance, so fine that it approaches undetectable. And sometimes I'll just see how close to 0.001 I can get the key machine to cut to. And that's why I'm partial. But the other reason is their technical support is superior. I once called to ask about a punch machine, and the customer service rep at Rytan was able to tell me from memory the 12 different parts I needed to convert it from cutting one type of key to a different type of key. There is a link below this video as well to the Master Operation Manual Index and then an exploded view. That exploded view is obviously helpful. And then finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rytan products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Rytan RY10025 carriage release spring or any other Rytan product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.